as the year starts, it's good to start fresh and then put what I called a vision board. You should gather like little pictures of things that you want, like, you know, I want money, or, you know, success, like stuff that motivates you, you know, like, oh, the car that you want to have in the future, or like pictures of your family, like I have my son, and then I have look up, this is horrible, the fat old me, and then my gorgeous husband, and, you know, obviously to me family is everything. So you should put stuff that you need, that you want to achieve. Like, for example, me, I want to get up at 7 in the morning every day. So I'm going to put a clock to remind me every day that I need to get up early. Then also, I really want this ring from WFG. It's a $100,000 ring. And what this means is that that's how much I'm going to be earning a year, or hopefully in 6 months, right? Also, I want to have a healthy life. So I cut all of these things from the internet. You could do that too. Well, as you can see, my my printer doesn't have that much ink, so it printed out like this. It's so weird, so I had to print out some of them like black and white like this. So I want to be able to make more phone calls and not be scared of the phone anymore, and, you know, call more people. Also, you know, this for me represents teamwork. I want to have a big team of people that I could work with. That way I could help other people make money as well. And with this healthy food, I really want to continue with my healthy lifestyle, with which I will help you in the next video. This is how I want to look, and that's how I want Ivan to look. We will get there, don't worry. And yeah, because every picture tells a story, right? I also want to be able to travel this year. I'm finally gonna get some paperwork done regarding that. I guess I do want to have a wedding. And motivational stuff. All of this is gonna go into my into my dream board. And of course, I want to work together with other people because I want to help people rise. And this is what my check will look like by June 1st. It's gonna be from WFG to me, $250,000. Nice, right? For what? For team building? Oh, you. And yeah, and next I'm gonna teach you how to do a business plan. That way you guys could do it too and start the year off fresh. This is something you should do before the year starts. That way when the year starts, you are ready to go and you are taking some action when it comes to your goals. So so yeah, being that said, I'm gonna put all of these together. Right now I don't really want to go to the store and waste more paper, so I got some of these cardboards. Actually, no, it's like cartulina, you know, like kids use like to make projects. So I'm just gonna put like 4 of these papers together to make one big one. And once I make one big one, I'm just gonna put all my pictures here, and I'm gonna like write on them, and I'm gonna make these like my motivational. And once I finish with these, I am going to put these in my room, and I'm just gonna hang it, and I'm gonna see it every single day of the year. That way it reminds me what motivates me and what is it that I want to do. Okay, so I found a marker, and I'm gonna write down right here things, and then I'm gonna start gluing these with a glue stick. So I already cut them and they look all nice. I'm gonna start putting my dream board together now that I already like put these with tape. Of course, looks really ugly in the back, but it's gonna look really nice. I'm gonna start writing and my new dream board. Oh no, it's not big enough, so it's okay, I can draw. Okay, so let's write. So it's gonna be my dream board. creativity. This is depending on your personality, depending on what your goals are. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but this is just an example just to get you started. So if you please put on a dream board and then put it in your room so that you can look at it every day, or in a place where you always walk. That way when you see it, you're reminded of the things that like inspire you, like to get better. Like if you have any goals, if your only goal is to, like, for example, get skinny or something, or like get toned, or and that's it, so then that's fine. Just put pictures of like gym, or like, you know, healthy eating, or like, you know, like if that's your plan too, like only to eat healthy, then that's fine. But as long as you have one goal that will keep you going, that way you're not like a robot, you know, like just walking around every day with no dreams and goals. Like you should be able to live your life to the fullest. I want to achieve 4 things this year. The first one, it's finance. And with finance, like I said, I want to earn $100,000 a year. Or not only that, but I want to earn $250,000 at the end of this year. But I guess my check is written for June, so even better. So I want to do that. Well, that's one of the first ones. So it's gonna be finance. So finance, I want more money. I want to be more financially steady. I don't want to have any more you know, payments for any bills or anything like that, except for like, I don't know, like gas, I guess. Or I mean, I don't have cable, so I don't have to worry about those things. But also the second thing, it's fitness. I want to achieve my goal of weighing again 130 pounds. 5 months ago I started on a healthy journey, which I'm gonna show you in the next video of how I lost a lot of weight. I used to weight 160 pounds, and now I weigh 148, but my goal is to be 130, which is not like I'm killing myself, but my next goal is my faith. I want to continue going to Bible studies. I want to learn more about the Bible. I want to study the Bible. I want to be able to, you know, to restore my faith with my faith. Also with my family, which family is everything. I want to be able to hang out with them more, spend more time with my mom, give some quality time for my husband, take my son out somewhere so that he could feel happy, and I also, like I said, I want to have another kid, but not tomorrow. Maybe at the end of this year we'll plan something, and let's see how it comes out. So I'm gonna put all of these here. So there's another goal of mine, must read books. I really want to read at least 1 book a month. I know I started reading some books earlier, but I never finished them because something else comes out. And if people, like, you know, if you're one of the people that know me, I can never stay still. I always want to find things, I mean new things, you know, like I want to inspire people that, you know, life is not all about only work, like, you know, like a job or anything. Like, you know, there's things that you want to do too, like fulfill. I forgot to show you my house. Of course, my printer was running out of ink, so I had to print it out like this, grayscale. And this is where I want. See, that's LA. My house is in the mountains, and this is where I store my cars. It's glass and it's beautiful. This is my dream home. This is what I want. Of course, everybody has different tastes, but this is what I want. This is what is gonna fire me up every day. When I see it, I'm gonna be like, you know what, I have to work so hard so that I could live in the house with my family. I want to tell you, wake up, or even in your bathroom, every time you wake up you should be able to see it. Every time you go to sleep you should be able to see it and remind you, you know, like it's called, you know, well, I put my dream board, but we call it our vision board. And yeah, it should be visual. You should be able to see pictures. I love taking pictures, so there you go. That's my camera. So there you go. Hope this helps you put something in perspective for this year. And you know, let's not waste time. Let's not waste time. Let's take action. Let's be good people. Let's teach others. Let's lift others. Let's have goals. You know, let's have something going on in our lives. And I really hope this inspires you, and I hope you could get it started. It's simple, right? And it's gonna be fun. If it moves you, it's going to attract good things towards the year. So I really hope you do something like this. And if I would like to see a picture in the comments, or just text me if you know me already. I would love to see what you did and how it came out, yours, so I could learn from you too. Because, you know, to be honest, this is my first dream board, my first vision board. But I know I can see greatness already, and I can see how this helps me already. Yay, so it's finished. I added a little of my writing. Like, for example, this one, I study the Bible every Saturday afternoon. I go to the gym 3 times a week. This is how much I weight. I don't weigh these now, but this is my desired weight. But like I told you, everything has to be present tense, not I will wait. No, it has to be I wait now. Like, and this is my own office. I work full-time with my own business. If you know the way, teach others. Like, why would you keep the secret to yourself, right? Like, you have to help others rise and achieve their goals. Also, this is one of my main goals, to wake up at 7 in the morning every day. So I'm gonna look at these every single day and remind myself of the things that I'm going to do. Okay, so please excuse my dirty room, but here you go, guys. This is my dream board. I put it every time I wake up here in the morning, so I put it right on my mirror, so I could see it every day. I could read it every day. I could see the things that are important to me, things that motivate me, of course. It must remind me of things that I want to do every day. And yeah, I really hope that you guys did yours. And again, please show me what you guys got, how it came out, and put it always in a place where you will always be reminded. So